Hey Mama, it's me. I just want to quickly show you how to make shortcuts on your desktop. Let me go ahead and push this down. And you see on my desktop here, I just got this recycle bin. If I go down here and I click on folders, you can see that I'm in a picture. And now to navigate to my pictures, I could go to this PC, down to pictures. And here you can see that I have the kids. Now, I got pictures of the kids here. If I drag and I drop, that will transfer the file from my pictures folder to my desktop, but I don't want to do that. I just want to make a shortcut here or a copy. So I'm going to drag and drop this back there. Okay. So that's how you do. That's what I mean by dragging and dropping. I drag and I drop here on the desktop, and it just puts the folder on the desktop for me. Okay. Then I could arrange it there wherever I want it, or I could drag it to here. Okay, now if I want to make a copy, what I'll do is I'll hold my control button down on my keyboard. So I'm holding the control button down. Now I'm going to click this folder and drag and drop it. Now notice I have a copy here and now I have a copy here of the kids. So I have two copies of the folders. Okay, so that's one way to do it. Now I could just take this and drag it to my recycle bin, and I'll right click empty recycle bin, hit yes, and you can see that I still have my kids' pictures right there. Okay, so that's how you make shortcuts on your desktop. And there's another way to do it as well. So if let me go ahead and X out of here. I'm on my desktop. If I right click and I go down here and I hit new, and I come over here, this little shortcut, I'm going to click on it. Now you notice I have, it asks me what item would I like to create a shortcut for. Now we can browse to a certain folder, maybe go into our libraries. Here we'll go back to the pictures again, and maybe I'll just have a shortcut to my pictures. I'll click OK, click Next. I'll label it Pictures, and click Finish. And now notice I have a shortcut to my pictures. When I double click, they just pop up there. Okay, I could drag that. That's just like making a copy. All right. So that's making a copy of it. And it does the same thing as dragging and holding the control button down, like we were doing with kids here. So if I hold the control button down, drag, it makes a copy both ways. And if I right click and I hit new shortcut and then I browse, I can make a shortcut that way. Now you have a CenturyLink. Um, Let me empty this recycle bin. You have a CenturyLink shortcut on your desktop, and let me show you how you do that. You right click, hit new, shortcut just like before, and then here I'm going to make a shortcut to my website. Okay, so I'm going to type in https colon slash slash a1websitepro.com, just like that. And then I'm going to hit next, and instead of new internet shortcut, I'm just going to type in A1 Website Pro, just like so. And I'm going to hit finish. And now notice here I have an A1 Website Pro shortcut. Okay. Now, what another thing that you could do if you so desire is you could right click. If you don't like the icon picture, you could change that icon picture. You can right click, go down here to properties. Okay. And then whenever that comes up, you can see where it says change icon. We'll click change icon, and maybe I want a gold picture. And then I'll click OK. I'll click apply, and you'll notice now that that picture now is gold. Okay, so that's it. We'll keep this one short and sweet, and I'll shoot this to you right now.